In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Calendar app on Windows. By the end, you'll have Google Calendar running in its own window, just like a desktop app, so it's easier to open, manage, and keep separate from your other tabs. Start by opening your web browser on Windows. This works best in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, go to Google Calendar and wait for it to load fully. If you're asked to sign in, use your Google account so the calendar can display your events. Once the page is open and you can see your calendar, you're ready to install it as an app. Look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open the main browser menu. This menu groups several actions together, and on current versions, you'll see a section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. That's the area we want to use. It's where the browser offers tools for working with the current page. Within that section, select Install Pages app. This tells the browser to create a progressive web app, or PWA, from Google Calendar. A PWA runs in a clean, standalone window without the address bar and browser controls, so it feels much more like a native Windows app. A small dialog will appear asking you to confirm. You may also see options to keep the default app name, or choose whether to pin it to your taskbar or create a desktop shortcut. Pick the choices that fit how you like to launch your apps. If you don't want to decide right now, you can always pin it later from the taskbar or Start menu. Click Install to finish. The browser will create the app and immediately open Google Calendar in its own window. From now on, you can launch it like any other app, and it will stay separate from your regular browsing tabs. If your browser offered to add shortcuts and you accepted, look for Google Calendar on your taskbar, Start menu, or desktop. If you skip those options, you can still find the app in your list of installed apps under the Google or Microsoft Edge category, depending on the browser you used. A quick tip: if you don't see the Install Pages app option, make sure you're on the latest version of Chrome or Edge. Some browsers don't support this feature, and older versions may hide it. Also, keep notifications enabled in the app window if you want event reminders to appear on your desktop. That's it. You've installed Google Calendar as a Windows app ready to open quickly whenever you need it.